And then let me show you real quick. Sorry for flipping back and forth. Let me show you really quickly this code, which is the sample code for the assignment. What I told you was the sort of theory of it, but I didn't show you the mechanics of it. If I put a URL in this string, and this is the URL for the main page of that test website, the rest of this code you don't need to worry about, and you don't need to change it. You can reuse it, of course. Basically, what you need to know about this code is that it sets up a fake web browser in Python to trick my web server into thinking that it's a real web browser, because otherwise my server will say, whoa, 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 I don't give out this information to programs because it's a security threat. So this is how easy it is to get around that web server security. You can fake a web browser. In fact, this is faking a Chrome web browser. You can actually see, if you look over here, this is a specific version of Chrome. So literally, to get around that level of security on a web server, all you have to do is basically say, no, I'm a real web browser here. This is the one I am, this one right here. And it's like, okay. And then it will give you the information. But all of this will take that page, put it into a string variable, and then print it out. So if I run this code, you'll see it returns that same HTML code from that page, which then you can go through using the same methods that we did for extracting the email. You can extract the title and the links from that page, and then you need to devise a way of following each of those links if it's on the bmosley.com website and spidering those pages. So that is the other more difficult challenge. Okay, so you can do either or. If you're really bored, you can do them both, but I'll give you credit for either one. And that's pretty much the deal there. So any questions about either of the assignments? Okay, don't forget, I won't be here on Thursday. So you can email me with questions, I just won't be here.